Morning everyone, back at Westbrook Beach, and the water is looking excellent today. I need to check the tide, but I think high tide is pushing now. It's about almost 11 o'clock, so I'm going to be trying here for maybe a bronze brim, maybe a pompano if they're around. Hopefully we get something here, guys. The water is a lot better than the previous times I've been coming. The really nice blue color with some white water in between. Water is looking really good today, guys. Hopefully we can get a nice fish here. Right everyone, simple bronze brim trace today, and octopus and prawn combination. I'm gonna put the bait in and let's see if we can get a bite. Hopefully we can get something today, guys. Water is a lot better today. Right everyone, octopus is on here. I just flattened this piece of prawn. I'm gonna wrap it around, I'm gonna add it on, and we're gonna check if we're gonna get something here, guys. Right everyone, bait is done. Let's put it in and wait for that rod bend. Right guys, that first bait didn't produce anything, so I've just rebaited here, and it's the same bait here, octopus and prawn, just different baits obviously. This one is just a prawn. Took a half a prawn, split it, put it in, and added a nice fat piece here to the bottom. Get a nice bait like this. So moved a little bit here. Just gonna keep on working my way along here. Keep on working my way. Sure we'll be able to pick up a bite somewhere. But other than that, guys, things have been quite slower. Not even a bite, not even the peckers are around to bite. So yeah guys, but I'm sure we definitely will get something. Everyone, got a few sea lice here, and so that prawn bait the bottom was getting picked up, but not really, just a few very small fish I think it was. So I'm gonna keep on trying here. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna put a prawn and sea lice combination in here, check if we can pick up a stumpy or pommy or something. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright everyone, the sealice bait prawn combination. Cotton down a piece of prawn there in the center and just mashed up all the sealice and put them on top with their legs facing out. The fish is there, can't say no to this, guys. Let's see, put the bait in and let's see what happens. Everyone, I tried, couldn't make it to get a fish today, but yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon.